This class is a chance for students to experience what it's like to work in an industrial environment and work in a laboratory setting before they leave high school. We take used cooking oil, donated used cooking oil, and make it into diesel fuel that we can use in the district equipment. We can use it in the tractors, we're working on getting it in the school buses, and our capacity has grown over the last couple of years.
It's unlike any class I've ever taken. I mean, all my classes have just been take notes, take a test. This one is you're trained on our process, then you're expected to learn that process, then you're expected to do that process.
It's not just about the steps, it's like really understanding what you're doing and why you're doing it.
It is fun. It's not like the other chemistry classes. My first chemistry class, we learned about atoms. We were just doing paperwork, and now I'm actually in a lab. This is what I imagined it when I was a freshman. It's like a dream come true, honestly.
I just thought it was really cool. I was like, biodiesel, like we're making that? And it's like really fun and cool. And I wanted to learn more about it, and I really wanted to be a part of it.
It's really huge at this point in my life because it's a large transition period going into the last stages of education before I go into my actual career. So this is a huge bump because I'm able to save some money but still learn a lot at the same time, and a lot of skills and things that I wouldn't be able to learn until I'm in college and having to pay for it.
Employers want the right person for the right job. The employer has to take a lot of time and effort, and therefore a lot of money, to train that person to be a successful employee. And so the hours they spend in this class prepare them to start being a successful employee on day one. And so as a potential employer, that's gold. If this class can cut the training time in half for an employer, that opens doors for these kids that they wouldn't have opened before.
$5,000 for this kind of program is incredibly generous and really kind of steps up our game in a way that we can't do year to year. We propose that $4,500 of it would go towards packing tables and steel work tables for our students, and stools for them as well. And then we've got $500 that are going to student-made marketing materials, which they're working on developing and figuring out how to best use the money right now. Now we have a full industry-appearing, industry-feeling space that kids can collaborate with and be successful in, and really immerse them in the industrial environment that we're trying to create.
Not a lot of kids in high school can say that they've been a part of something like this.
You're learning actual real-world skills.
You're actually getting experience for a job you can use outside of school, and you actually get to see how it works rather than you getting an internship not having any idea what you're going into.
This is something that high school students can do. This is something that's safe for high school students to do. We can do it in our current setup, and all it was getting the pieces in place to make it what it is today. And without these kids, it wouldn't be here.
I've learned how to turn literal oil into gas, like biodiesel. I don't even know what else I can say besides that.